Hello everyone. The lesson today is about converting fractions to decimals. And this is one of the most important and repeated equation in the paper 1 and paper 2 at the same time. Okay? Okay, let's apply it directly. But before I start, I want to say something. I have some numbers, we call it friends. But why we use the friends? Because I told you before, to convert from decimal to fraction, we have to weigh. First way is make the denominator 10 or 100 or 1000 and so on. Or you can use the long division. Okay, you can use the long division. To make the denominator 10 or 100 or 1000, you must have one of the friends down to convert it to zero numbers. The friends are 2 multiply 5 because it gives us 10. 4 multiply 25 gives 100. 8 multiply 125 gives you 1000. We call these numbers here are friends. Actually, you can add 0, like 20 multiply 50, so it will be 100. Okay, 1000. Or 20 multiply 5 only, it will be 100. And so on. 40 multiply 250, it will be 1000. And so on. You can add zeros as much as you can. Okay. It must be, the most important is it must be one of these 6 numbers, 2, 5, 4, 25, 8, 125. Okay, this is first. Second, we can use the long division, and we will see example now about something like this. Okay? Okay, let's apply over what we studied in the mock exam. Half, number B, half of 25. Half of 25 means 1 over 2. Of means multiply 25. Well, it's the same as 25 over 2. Which number is 2 is one of the friends. So I can multiply it by 5 down and 5 up. So it will be 125 up and down it will be 10. Now we have a fraction. Its denominator is 10, so we can move the point one place, so it will be 2.5. Direct. Okay? Another question. In paper 1, 2. Okay, he gave me division, and asked me to write the answer corrected to 2 decimal places. That means he needs the answer as a decimal number. To convert from division to decimal number, we must use the long division here. Long division means 53 divided 7. Why, Mr. Ahmed, you didn't use 53 divided 7 and use the friends? Because 7 is not one of the friends. If 7 is one of the friends, it's easy to convert it to decimal number. But 7 actually not one of the friends. In this case, we must use the long division. 5 divided 7 can't be, so it will be 0. Okay. 53 divided 7 equals, what times 7 give you 50, 40? Yes, it's 7 times 7, 49. Subtract. It will be 4. Then put the point and put 0. 40 divided 7 equal 6 or 5. Yes, 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, it will be 5. Then add 0. 50 divided 7 is, by the way, correct to two decimal place means we will work until we reach the third decimal place to decide it will add one or not. Okay, so let's continue working until we reach 3 decimal place. Okay, 50 divided 7 is 7. 7 times 7, 49. 49, make subtraction 1. Okay, then put 0. 10 divided 7 is 1. Stop here. Stop here, don't continue. Now, 1 will not add to 7, so the answer will be correct to two decimal place 7.57 only. This is the last answer. Okay, this is from paper 1, so you don't have to use the calculator. It's not allowed. Another question from paper 1 too. Two fractions are, actually this question can be solved by two ways. One of them is to convert to decimal. Convert both to decimal places. Okay, 5 divided 4, it will be 5 divided 4, first decimal. 5 divided 4, 1. 1 times 4 is 4, subtract 1, put 0, put 0, put point, put 0. 10 divided 4 is 2, it will be 8, minus it will be 2. Okay, then put 0, 20 divided 4 is 5. So this number as a decimal equal 1.25. What about 4 divided 5? 4 over 5 equals, it can't be, so it will be 0. Okay, both 0 point and both 0. 40 divided 5 is 8, so this number is supposed to be 0.8. Okay, okay, which one is near to 1? The difference here between 0.8 and 1 is 0.2, and the difference here is 0.25. So this one is more near to 1 because its decimal number is very close to 1. If we convert it to decimal number, it will be more closer to 1. Okay? I have another way actually to solve it. Okay? Which one? I can work with it as a fraction. Another way, I can write 5 over 4 as 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4, which is the same as 5 over 4. Okay? 4 over 4 equal 1 plus 1 over 4, which is 1 and 1 over 4. 1 and 1 over 4. This is the first one. Okay. Second is I can write 4 over 5 as 5 over 5 minus 1 over 5, which is the same as 4 over 5. Yes? Okay. So 1 minus 1 over 5, because 5 over 5 considered as 1. So which one is more closer to 1? 1 over 5 or 1 over 4? Let's compare them together. 1 over 5, 1 over 4, cross multiplication. Okay, here is 4 and here is 5. This one is smaller, so this area is smaller, so the number here, this number is the smaller. So it's 4 over 5, which is the same answer. But actually, it's easier to solve it by using the decimal number. So the number is 4 over 5 because if we convert it to decimal, it will be more closer to 1. Okay. Another question about the same idea from paper 2. You can use the calculator here. We need to find two numbers from these numbers. Okay, if we divide them together, you'll find the answer be 0.8. To find the number divisible by, so the number is decimal here. So the numerator and must be greater than, must be smaller than the denominator. Okay, it may be 2/3, it may be 3/5, it may be 5/11, it may be 11/13, it may be 13/15. After trying, okay, by using calculator, you can find it 11 and 13. So the answer is 11 and 13. Okay, just trying by your calculator. Okay. Last question about this lesson. Shirts are made from mix of cotton and polyester. The ratio of cotton to polyester is in the two shirts is shirt A 13:7, shirt B 3:2. Okay. By writing each ratio in the form of C:1, find which shirt contains the higher proportional of cotton. Which one has the higher proportional of cotton? Okay? طيب. He want to make the second term to be 1. Take care about it. He wants the second term to be 1. Let's start with shirt A. It is 13:7. Divide both sides by 7. So when we divide it by 7, 7 divided 7 equals 1. And here 13/7. Let's use the long division to see the exact number is what? 13 divided 7. So we will convert it to decimal to easy calculate. 13, it will be 1 times 7 is 7, subtract, it will be 6, okay, then both point and 0. 7 times 8 is 56, subtract, it will be 4, okay, then both 0. 40 divided 7 is 5, 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, okay. So we can stop here actually, okay, because it's continuous fraction. So we may calculate the second term to see which one will be more higher, okay, in cotton. Okay, let's do the same for the second, which is shirt B. 3:2. We will divide both sides by 2, okay, to make the second term 1. So first term will be 3/2, second term will be 1. 3/2, obviously, it's 1.5 to 1. Which t-shirt has more? Actually, shirt A has more, okay, than t-shirt B, okay? And that's it for this lesson. Hope you enjoy this lesson. See you. Bye.